Improve your vocabulary by learning basic words. English has been described as one of the most difficult languages for foreigners to master. One explanation is because English has so many rules and almost as many exceptions to those rules. This can sometimes cause confusion among students. For example, the arrangement of words in a sentence can be difficult. Another reason English is difficult to learn is that the pronunciation of its phrases cannot always be predicted from their spelling. For example, there are at least six different ways to pronounce the letters O, U, G, H. Perhaps the worst part is that English has a large number of idioms or expressions. We employ idioms as if they were going out of style. So it's encouraging to know that studying root words can assist someone who doesn't speak English understand English. A basic word is the simplest version of a word. Root words can help you breaking down large new words into smaller components and find their meanings. Learning a single root word can help you grasp several English words. So, by studying just 20 or 30 root words, you can increase your English vocabulary by hundreds of new words. A root can be any component of a word that conveys meaning, including the beginning, middle, and end. Prefixes, bases, and suffixes are all examples of roots. The prefix comes first, followed by the base, and finally by the suffix. Most English root or words are formed from Greek and Latin, developing vocabulary through root words. One effective strategy for expanding vocabulary through root words is to start with a base word and then look for common prefixes and suffixes that go with it. As an example, consider the root term struct. It comes from the Latin word for belt. Any English term that begins with struct refers to the construction, development, or creation of something. Struct is not a word in and of itself, but it serves as the foundation for almost 30 other English words. Adding suffixes to struct generates more words. For example, in English, adding ion converts verbs into nouns. When we add ion to construct, we get construction, which refers to the process or act of building something. Adding the suffix ing to construct results in constructing. That is the gerund form, which has a similar meaning to the word construction. Adding the suffix ive to constructive creates the adjective form, which implies helpful in developing or improving anything. Now let us expand on constructive. Adding the suffix ly to constructive results in the adverb constructively. It means doing something that is beneficial. The root word struct generates a large number of other words. For example, destruction is the opposite of construction. Destruction is the act of destroying or hurting something that was built. Instruction refers to the process of acquiring knowledge and is related to the gerund teaching. And as with construct, you may add several suffixes to destruct or instruct to create several new words. The suffixes may be ion, ing, ive, ing plus ly or ive plus ly. So you see, knowing just one root word struct allow you to better understand the meaning of at least 15 English words. Other typical root words are bio, meaning life, auto, meaning self, pro, meaning before or in favor of, and tele, meaning distance. You have probably seen some of these roots before. So choose one or two and put all of the words that spring to mind that are related to them in the comments section. Join us again soon to talk about suffixes and prefixes. Learning common roots, prefixes, and suffixes will help you become an expert at studying English word meanings and building a large vocabulary